Hi, it's that time of year again where Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have announced their upcoming maximum loan limits for the year 2026. And this year they are increasing to a loan limit of $832,750 for a single family home. So, what does this mean? How does this translate if you're a home buyer looking to buy in 2026? Well, what it means is if you're a home buyer with 3 to 5% down kind of as a minimum down payment, you're going to be able to get a loan limit up to 832,750 assuming you qualify. So let's take the 5% scenario first. If you had at least 5% to work with, you could be looking at a sales price up to approximately $876,500, do your 5% down, get conforming interest rate and terms, which are typically better than jumbo and non-conforming. Jumbo and non-conforming, for starters, require typically at least 10% down, and in many cases, 20% down. So if you can get in with a 5% down payment, get a good interest rate because you're doing conforming loans, this is a good thing for you. Now, let's just say, for example, you are a first-time home buyer. Well, as a first-time home buyer, you would potentially be eligible for as little as 3% down. So how does that translate? How do those numbers look? Well, a 3% down payment would allow you to look up to a sales price of approximately $858,500, do your 3% down, and again, still get those conforming interest rates and terms. Now, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, when they increase on the single family homes, they also are able to do 2-unit, 3-unit, 4 units. Those have also increased. Now, if you want more information on that, please give us a call, however, because down payments and things will vary when you start getting into multiple units. The 3 and 5 examples I gave you are specifically for single family homes. Now, FHA typically will announce theirs in the upcoming weeks, and we'll make sure and get that information out to you as well. But we expect FHA to slightly go up as well. And the reason being is that even though interest rates have been relatively higher in comparison to recent years, and which has made things a little difficult on buyers, I understand, but it also means that real estate continues to be a good investment because home prices continue to go up. So keep that in mind when you're looking and you're wanting to potentially get into a home. Why you're doing it. You're doing it to get in and start building wealth for yourself and your family. Okay, listen, I hope you found this information helpful. And if you did, please do me a favor and subscribe and like our page here. If you want more information on how to qualify, or if you have more questions around minimum down payments on 2-unit, 3-unit, 4-unit properties, again, reach out, give us a call, text us. We're always here to assist, always here to help you. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.